Hey guys, so as you can see I'm not in my car, but the Taximan video will start just after I've talked about what I want to talk about. So it's been quite a while since I've been uploading stuff. Like this video you're about to watch spans from like the start of February to like April, so it's quite a way behind from where we're at now in June. As you can see, my room has changed quite a bit since you last saw it, I think. But it's been like this for a while, but I haven't shown any videos like vlogs and stuff, but I've just got loads of festival stuff, like my faves, Don Broco, there they are, lads. So this video is going to come out, and then I'm kind of going to stop doing some like those like holiday vlogs, because they don't get nearly as many views, and obviously you guys aren't as interested, so I'm going to do way more of these Taximan videos, because we're going to go down to Cornwall like next week. So I'm going to set the GoPro up all throughout the Cornwall, so we'll just get like Cornwall basically Taximans with me, Katie, my girlfriend, and Zoe and her boyfriend. So I'll try and get as much content out to you as I can, and enough stuff that you like as well. So enjoy the video.
You could probably squeeze it.
Yeah, let me put my bag over there. Oh hello. Oh hello.
Is it just heat, or is it?
Hang on, it's on normal at the moment. Do you like it harder?
Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Gucci, 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 Gucci.
I'm just gonna play a song so it continues to play.
Mama, no!
I will rape you out back there, and you're all gonna choke if you don't.
I'll
Sort your childish shit out.
I can legit see the full flake. Oh, by the way, it's snowing in your car now.
Yeah, no, it's snowing over here as well.
Oh dear.
This is weird. It's gone from sunny to blizzard.
What is this weather?
Oh my god, my hand is frozen.
Did you pay?
Huh?
Did you pay?
Yeah, you do it there. Move over, you twat.
I know, mate. They were like selling out bare, you know, like proper bad. Mother's Day as well. For Mother's Day, she'd be like, here are the tickets.
Oh, Mother's Day. God, I'm so bad at that shit.
I know, do you know what? Yeah, last night I couldn't believe it, because you know how bad the snow was last night. Yeah. It was absolutely ramming in Nando's.
Was it?
Yeah, absolutely
Yeah,
rammed,
Sainsbury's
mate.
is really busy on Thursday.
Mate, like full restaurant, like waiting at the door and shit. Like
It's weird, like people don't stay indoors, they're like, I need to eat up before I die in my own home.
But I guess people are like, oh, should we go for a walk into town? So yeah, should we go for Nando's once we're in town?
Play in the snow then.
Yeah. But I thought it was gonna be dead because no one would want to drive into town. But it was rammed, mate. Like for this if you can. Nah, mate, just park here because it's right there. Why?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Why don't you just park there?
I'm autistic, right?
Jeez, you hurt me so much, you know.
Where's the lines?
Just park anywhere. That was pretty shit parking. Fucking hell, you're not up the curb, man.
Oh, this my shit. All the girls don't feel like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause there ain't no holler back, girl. Wake up in the morning feeling like being
It's fun, it's all empty, yeah.
the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Fucking back on my toes, trying to all my clothes, to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. About the action, if you look okay, you know I'll say when I see your face.
We looked on porn, and on the phone.
You both watched porn together.
We looked it on porn. No, wait. And on the way page.
You were saying you're not a lesbian couple and you're watching porn together.
It's just education, isn't it? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but
And
with
also
each other.
just like that. We went on, we went my socks.
Love them. Are they comfy?
Yeah.
Because you've got warm socks on, but then you've also got like short
Very.
trousers. So it's like, you're trying to be warm, but then you're not.
Yeah, it's because my feet are the ones that get cold, not the legs. How have you been?
Been alright in the last 12 hours.
Yeah.
This is the better version.
No, I like it.
No, it's too fast.
I like
It's
that.
nice and slow. It sounds better. He sings. He actually sings. No, too fast. Way too fast.
I love that because I like the screamy bit.
Do you like this one, Junction, as well?
No, I don't like this because I'd stalled here.
Why do you still what?
No, not anymore. I used to. Oh, I like this one.
If I could write you a song and make you
fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used to borrow my tricks. I hope that you like this. What a tune.
This is my fault. You think you're cooler than me. Think that you are. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would
George is so scared of me. I find it so.
I saw his little stupid face.
What I'm gonna do? I offer my support.
What the f? That plane's shiny! Check your asses.
Look at it! Wait, it's when it. Ah! You cannot see it.
Yeah, I saw it sparkle.
It's more than a sparkle. That's the sun.
Oh no.
Oh.
I'm going around.
Yeah.
Going around. Ooh.
What pigeon?
Hi guys,
Oh,
it's
no
Joe
way
Vlogs
back.
here.
Can you put your seatbelt on?
Why?
Yeah, but if you go into the back of my head and kill me, I'm not gonna be happy.
I'm going to be a bit miffed, frankly, when I'm in the afterlife.
What afterlife?
Yeah, true.
For the sake of the joke, I had to have something.
Oh, no, no. How long are you gonna keep that up for? Like 3 cheeseburgers, quarter pounder of cheese, caramel frappe stuff. So gone through, yeah. Cheers.
Well, we learned something new today. You can pay park cash, park car.
And they almost up again. Like, we don't have the meal
Wait,
there.
we
Oh,
haven't-
it's just come through.
We haven't seen those bags
What
yet,
amazing
mate. They
for
could have
you.
still it up.
My mom. Cool.
How did you find this shit? Oh, okay. Oh, my acceleration.
That's what good pussy sound like.
That's it. Oh my god. He's not happy, is he? My bitch love doing wheel spin.
Cause again.
Bruh, beep him. Zone 5.
Yes, we are in zone 5, Mario.
Mario! It's quite tight.
Oh, I know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
scares me about it.
Ah. Shit, man. Gotta go into that ditch then.
There we go, launch.
Oh my god, it didn't even move. That's hilarious. Skidding.
That's hilarious. My door could just open for me.
We're not parking. You're parked over there.
smack?
Huh?
You going to smack, yeah? Let's go now.
Yeah, mate, come on.
Can you jump, yeah?
I didn't realise that was you guys.
That's me. Hello.
Were you parked there last night? Exactly there? So when we got here, we didn't even see your car. We didn't even see it.
What are you doing here then?
I'm dropping him off at his car.
Where's this car?
That. You had the car.
You drove. Yeah? I'm not standing here anymore. Alright, follow me.
Alright.